Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. In this video we will discuss how you can make an employee attendance sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start our video. First of all, you can see that this is how your sheet will look like. You can customize it later. So let's start our video from scratch. First of all, I will write here the serial number and in front of it I will write names for the employees. Click outside, make the both text bold, increase their size, add a background color. Okay, now for the serial numbers I will only write one and then use the fill handle and drag it down. After that I will, in the drop down I will select fill series and it will fill it automatically. Okay, now for the names I will copy the names from the sheet 1 because it is just an easy, it will not take a lot of time. Okay, so we will apply a border here, all borders, and then a thick outside border. Okay, now for the dates we will write, these are the dates I am gonna write. We will, the one till here, let it be 20. Consider these 20 days. Okay, now we will select the, wait a minute, let me select these, all of these columns and decrease their width. So this is how they will look like. Increase a little more. Okay, scroll in this section. We will apply a background color to this, let it be gray. Okay, here we will write the name of days, let it be Sunday. When we will scroll it to this side, you can see all the names have been filled automatically. Let's increase our width a little more. Okay, now we can read it clearly. So, and now I will apply the border here, thick outside border. First of all border, then thick outside border. Okay. To give the heading here attendance sheet, we will merge these cells. Come here and click on merge cells, write here attendance sheet, T. Okay, click it, increase the size, this will be fine. You can make it bold, let me make it bold, and apply the background color. This one is good. Okay, now we will write here presents and absents for our, let me bring it down. Okay, so now these are our clients or our employees, and we will write their present and absent here. Okay, so let's do it. Let me just copy this data from here, otherwise it will take a lot of time. Control C and I will paste it here. Okay, let's add this column manually. It will be P. So that's it. We will apply the border again. Click on all borders and then click on thick outside border. So it looks good now. Let's also highlight the Sunday because it's the holiday and employees are not gonna work this day. Okay, so this is our data and the main part of our video starts from here. So first of all we will write here present, absent, and holidays. Okay, now we will bold these three text, increase the size a bit. Now so we select these three columns and increase a little width. Okay, now we will apply the background color. Green for the present, as you know, green for the present, red for the absent, and blue for the holiday. Now we will write here formulas. Let me first apply the borders so it looks more pretty. Click on all borders and then thick outside border. Okay. Now we will apply a function or formula here, which is equal to count if. count if. Press the tab key. Okay. Now it will ask you the range. So our range starts from E10 and ends at X10. Okay. We will select our range and then apply the comma. Okay. Now it will ask you the criteria. So what we have to do, we have to write the capital P in the double quotes. Close the bracket and press enter. So you may wonder why is it showing this. So let me check this again. Present, and let me fix this. Okay, as you can see in this P, there are no spaces added before the P. Okay, as you can see, as I press the backspace, it doesn't get removed. But in this P, there are the backspaces applied. You can see 1, 2 and 2 backspaces are applied. So what we have to do, let me first copy this and paste it here. We're not going to change it again and again. Okay. Now there are 2 spaces added before our text. So what we have to do, we will add the 2 spaces before the P, because the count if function is case sensitive. We will apply 2 spaces and press enter. Now you can see it is calculating 13, which is exact number of presents. Okay. Now same for the absent, is equal to count if. Press the tab key, select the range, enter, press the comma, and for the criteria, in the apply double quotes, give 2 space and write as A. So it's not working. Let us see the A again. Let's check how many spaces are there before the A. So there is only 1 space before A. I don't know why there are a lot of spaces here, why it is not working properly. But you have also learned that when does the count if function does not work, when does this type of error happens. So if it happens to you, you can solve it easily. And press enter and it will count the absent. Same for the holidays. Count if, count if. Press the tab key, select the range. As you can see, for the H there are no spaces before H, so write the H simply and click enter. Now here are our present, absence and holidays. We will not write the formula for every employee. We will just go here and drag it down. Same for the absence and same for holidays. This is the same data. So to check, you can see that there is a difference. This is the 12 one. So let me change it to A and then see what happens. Double spaces A, and when I will enter, it will also change to 12. So when you will change this data, the number of presents and absence and holidays will also change. So this is how you can make an attendance sheet for your employees and calculate the days, their present days and the days which were the number of days they were absent, and then you can pay their salary depending upon the days they were present. Okay, multiplying with the number of days. So this is how you can do this simple trick. It was very easy. So I hope you like this tutorial. Keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel and like my videos, and make sure you share my videos with other people. So see you in the next video, guys.